Is your Brother MFC-L2750DW printer running low on toner and you want to replace it? Don't worry, this is actually super easy and takes just a few minutes. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the exact step-by-step process to replace the toner in your Brother MFC-L2750DW so you can get back to printing quickly. Or if you need extra help, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen for one-on-one assistance. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, press the power button to turn on your printer. Now, look at the front of your printer and locate the small cutout handles on each side. Pull to open the front cover using those cutout handles. Now, you'll see a green handle located right in the middle of the toner cartridge. Grab that green handle and pull the entire drum unit assembly straight out towards you. Once the drum unit is completely out, look for the small green lever on the left side of the assembly. Press that lever down to unlock the toner cartridge from the drum unit. Now, just pull the used toner cartridge straight out of the unit. It should slide out without any resistance. Grab your new toner cartridge and before you put it in, to remove all those orange plastic protective pieces from it. Now, carefully place the new cartridge into the drum unit and press it down firmly until you hear and feel it lock into the place. You'll know it's secure when it clicks. Push the entire drum unit back into the printer until it's snug and fully seated inside. Make sure it goes all the way. Finally, close the front cover of your printer by pushing it until it clicks. And that's it. You've successfully replaced your toner cartridge. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.